Nje kahle kahle nje into letiningi kahle kahle nje letifaka abafana labangazi nje abakaphili kahle etingcondweni kumbe mfana ukuthi like uku-closet angifuni nokutibandakanya.
The baddest bitch from NST, that's empiricist. Bitches be jealous when I win, gives me so much bliss. They can't compare, that's why they mad, I'm who they wanna be. Stalking me, hating me, come to me and face me. Until you chilling, it's what maybe.
Sanibonani baby, sanibonani bolala. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mbulela Austin Bali, also known as Kim. Ngiyatisha mkuswe ngisolo ngihambile isikhathi lesithe yoskolo guys besingindani phela I'm doing my final year. Even nanyalo ngine research lekumele ngicomplete but I was like sana. Phele another week ngaka-upload lenye video for bolala. Asoze ke so sana ene angayi straight iweek yami so nje ningayiboni kwangathi kumbe injani njani vele injani njani because I got straight no. Namuhla I'm gonna be talking about the things that annoy me with guys as a gay person. So eta netinto nje lengidefine yabo like di hard for ukuthi mina ngijole as a feminine gay person or like letena mjolo wami ukuthi abe hard as a feminine gay person, so like ngizokuhlanganisa wonke because ngibona kwangathi like kuyahambelana. Number one, ukuthi bafana thine ma-gay la fam angeke ngize ngithi bafana bonke ngizokhuluma nga-most yabo yabo ngikhuluma ngema-experiences ami la angifaki labanye bantu sithembe ukuthi siyavana. So number one, bafana like mina ngibona kwangathi as ma-gay yabo like basibona njengama-sex symbols or tinto ukuthi like bafuna ku-experimenta kuto and loku ngikhuluma kakhulu tuke bafana bokuthi like bama-after 9 yabo nje kumbe bafana bokuthi like bafuna nje ku-explora no shade angisho ukuthi ku-wrong ukuthi bantu ba-explore nyawo ma-ex-chem langenenjalo or bafana bokuthi like baba-busy nami or bajola nami then down the line yes bajola nami actually down the line say bangitshela ukuthi oh like bona ngeje beba-experimenta beba-explora and all that like which is kubuhlungu kubuhlungu because mina ngisuka ngi-investa lokuningi kule relationship ovele ngifaka ne-effort cause like ngitshela ukuthi oh into vele into sebenza kanti no umfana ngejena uthifuna lele kakufunako and shame esikhathini esiningi abakutholi because I'm not that girl lala akusinoma ngabe ngibani mfana lo toba inside me angihlanyi shem umtimba wami nje akusimtimba kangena phuma noma ngabe ngibani ngamagita sibhekane Gimme soze ke baba never to know like yeah nje bafala abaningi nje bayathanda nje ukusibona thina ma-gay feminine as ma-sex symbols or like into ukuthi batofuna kudlala nje ngato yabo nje nabeva nje lebakhanukako yabo bafuna kukhipha bavele nje babuke thina which is wrong and kuyanyanyisa letinye into letina ukuthi like kube hard for thina ukuthi sijole like it's so annoying. Guys, I was doing my makeup and ikhani ngibona nyalo ukuthi angasusi lokhu la damn shem for sure akubonakala lapho kule video kwesithulo kulenye into lena ukuthi kube hard or like njolo nje mina angizakwe or bafana bangibhore ukuthi most guys do not like femme gays and lokho ngikhuluma tukwe bafana bokuthi most gay guys actually like mina ma exes ami or bafana abaningi lengijole nabo bafana bokuthi like ba-bisexual like I think ngina-2 kumbe nginamunye i-ex yokuthi like yona gay like kuthi ugay yabo nami ngigay siyajola no like akuvami ukuthi like kuyenteke lokho because like most yebafala ba-gay basuka bafuna abafala ba-masculine presenting. You understand? And ma-gay amaningi lokho ayakwati and ayaku-understand. I don't know why but like nje ba-attracted more to boguy laba masculine presenting ngisho noma ngabe lo muntu loyo unebufem ekhathi or like udlala whatever role lekayidlalako kule relationship leyo like nje if kungukuthi yena ugay most abo ba-attracted to bantu laba masculine presenting and which is cool which is fine but nje for me I think lenye into le ngena ukuthi ngi-gravitate towards bafana ba-bisexual kakhulu because I feel like bafana ba-bisexual thina ma-gay la fem bayasi-understanda and i-femininity yabo the feminine energy femininity like into ukuthi like bajwayele cause bajwana nemantombatane nabo as well. Oh my gosh why ngena soda asikho lapho bengisasho ukuthi like nabo bajwana nemantombatane so like lokho kuba femu yabo nje ukuthi umuntu afake ama-wigs and all that yabona the way nje singakhona bakujwayele cause nabo bajwayele namantombazane. And this thing iyakhulunywa nguDaus Mendoza on TikTok. Ngayi-understand ukuthi like yes like bafana abaningi thina laba femmes vamise ukujwayela bafana laba bisexual cause bafana laba bisexual thina basi-understand yabona nje bawathanda futhi nama-gay la femme compared to bafana laba gay nje abasithandi thina lesifem ngaleyo ndlela shem ku-very very few ukuthi uthole bana bayithula abagay loyi-one abe-fem loyi-one abe-masculine bathandzane lokwa serious. Or if kungukuthi bagay uthole ukuthi boyi-two bafem bathandzane uyabo. Like ku-very very rare ukuthi uthole umuntu lo masculine lo gay athandzane nemuntu lo gay lo fem like very 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 rare. And I don't know why ngiyolenza labanye bokuthi like bafem bagcine sebatishintsha yabo like sebathi bona ayi kuyafana cause maningi amagele engikhuluma nawo mina khona laba bokuthi ayi wena mina angisekho fem because like now fem kuyabhora njena nebafana abakunaki yabo nje into enjalo sebathi bafuna kutshintsha babe masculine because bona bafuna ukuthi yana impilo bibe interesting nebafana babanake and all that, which is cool, which is fine, good right for bona. But mina shem ngi-right nje ngokuba fem kwami like honestly ngihlala nje ngithandaza nje everyday ngizibungu lami shem ngicela angangishintshi angangendi ngibe mask. Ngiyakuthanda kuba fem, I like oh my gosh ngiyakuthanda kuba fem. And if kungukuthi ngoba masculine I know for sure ukuthi like angeke ngize ngendiswe ukuthi ngidishintshile and then sengimask nyalo because ngifuna abafana banginake or bangi-entertain ngenxa yokuthi bafana abaningi ba-attracted to laba bafana laba mask. No lala also ne angisho ukuthi mina angeke ngize ngijoyine mfalo gay bafana abagay ngingajola nabo. Sorry nje ngithanza le mic. Bafana abagay mina ngingajola nabo, but as long as I don't ngithanda the way ngakhona yabo, angithanda nebo fem bami because labanye umuntu nasojola naye like sofuna nayokumvakashela ya manje nyalo ube mask naniphuma so like sogcwa njengemfana and all that. No mina nguthanzi lokho futhi nje. There was this guy le bengicoca naye bo kahle kahle nje, I don't know ukuthi like besijola all, I think bekwi-situationship. Yes, bekangitshela ukuthi mina like chem uyangithanda nebo fem bami and uyathanda le nto yokuthi like angiboka ukuthi njani ngisho like phambi ngimleli gele fem lokuthi like I have muscles there lapho nalapho yabo cause nginokujima sometimes. So like bekangitshela ukuthi mina uyakuthanda lokuthi like mina ngifemu and nalokuthi like mangigcwethe impahla le-revealing yabo kuvela lama muscles kuyamchaza like u-attracta ngiloko yena, which was amazing yabo nje shem like bekungichaza nami ukuthi kanti kunemuntu lo ngithanda the way mina ngakhona. But like into yami nalo guys angize iyenzayo because no nje bekangibhora shem and nje ngaphuma vele kuye because naye wangela date ngathola ukuthi ucoca nemngani wami. So story for another story. Basho njalo story for another day. But number 3 nguthi bafana if kunguthi especially logo bafana bisexual, if kunguthi jana mfalo bisexual and ugay whether ufem or mask, bafana abaningi shemi bayohlezi bayokhetha intombazane over wena. Nase if bangathi like abakhethi bokhetha intombazane over wena because lokho ukuthi imfana abe nentombazane ngikole more acceptable ku society. Uyangikutla for ekering like bana abaningi ba-understand kakhulu ukuthi imfana abe nentombazane than ukuthi imfana abe nemfana. Like ngiyolenye into nje lebhorako leyo especially ngebafana aba-bisexual, angisho usibonge banjalo but some banjalo like bohlezi bakhetha intombazane over wena lo gay. And ngile ngabantu kuma-situations kanjalo like multiple times because like bafanele ngijoyina nabo and futhi lokho bekungenakala high school kakhulu ukuthi bafanele ngijola nabo. Mase kufika tuwe thola ukuthi like ngijola naye angathi ukuthi une girlfriend or like ngijola naye and then uyangijithela nentombazane. Okay, after sengifind out ukuthi ungijola nentombazane or like uyangijithela then manje like umuntu nasengimlahla or like nase like sisikhuluma ukuthi like okay manje udokhetha bani kimi nalo girl because if ukuthi ukhetha girl mina angeke ngize ngikhona ukuchubeka nawe yabo like ngikushare. I can't do that. Umuntu uyokhetha intombazane over mina. Why? Because esikhathini lesiningi lokuthi imfana abe nentombazane ngikole more acceptable than ukuthi imfana abe nemfana. Number 4 nguthi bafana abaningi especially nabasibona ku social media bavele nje ba-assume ukuthi thina sinemali angathi ukuthi kanti lento leyo kahle kahle like niyithathaphi lokuthi ma-gay anemali, yes, ma-gays lamaningi vele a-successful and banemali, but mina shame angifuni icamba anginayo imali. Anginayo imali, nginemali yokuthi ngikhona ukuthi khona mina nale mpilo le ngiyiphilayo, but kuthi nje imali yokuthi nje yabo nje sengingadiza ngayo, no, anginayo imali mina shame, angifuni nje nokucamba amanga ayikho. And angathi ukuthi indzaba bogayi ba-assume ukuthi thina simagay sinemali, uthola abanye naseba-inboxela umuntu acele ma-voucher. Ngikhumbula nase-high school abanye bebathi bona yana nginike 1,000 ngitoku, uyabo. Sengicabanga nje like umuntu avele nje aqhamuke kimi angitshele lokho, like bro, ngathi imali ngiyithatha kume umuntu ashaye ngathi kume like kimi uyangifuna and all that njalo njalo, yabo nje. Then down lelana ngitshele ukuthi ayifuna ukuthi ufuna mina nawe sijole, like ngidodinga ukuthi wena unginike imali. Mine leso sikhathi ngimntwana wesikolo, naye umntwana wesikolo, ngina 17, uyangihlanyela like uyowena bored. Last but not least, le ma-after 9 futhi lokhu nje bekwenteka kakhulu kimi high school, ayikunyalo njengoba sengise-university. Phela la sesengibhizi nabantu abakhulakhulile, majida, ma-out icobo. Le nto yokuthi bafana balo if kungukuthi ugay, yabo, emini yawo wena ngathi nje uyacala in all this, or like most yabo futhi bayathanda ukubhulishana emini if kungukuthi banebangani babo omajida. And then ke sebusuku umuntu sothi ufuna like ukungifonela, sofuna sikhulume and all this wara, mara emini bongijwayela kabi, ungibukisa ngebangani bakho, uyangihlanyela. Bafana angathi ukuthi indzaba like nje ngathi like abasithathi kwangathi kume like sibanvu, uyang-understand. Angathi ukuthi ma-gay bawabona njengana, ngisho ukuthi bonke abafana abanjalo, but some, and kuyanyanyiswa cause nathi sibantu sinema-feelings, but like abasicabangeli, abasiconsiderishi. Ngiyo le ndzaba nje mine nje kahle kahle nje into etiningi kahle kahle nje lethifa abafana labangazi nje abakaphili kahle etingcondweni, kumbe mfana ukuthi like uku-closet. Angifuni nokutibandzakanya, yangivisisi, angifuni nje nokutibandzakanya because ngiyabati ukuthi nje bayahlanya, hayi bonke mara bahlanya. Nalomunye nje ngize ngasitaka naye ngemoto ngala, ishat shame mara yad, ngize ngasitaka naye ngemoto ngala. It's a story for another story, I mean for another day. Angifuni nje kuya acting kakhulu mara ngidonixoxela le story guys. Yo, shame. Yeah, njengoba bengisasho ngisi like bafana abasicabangeli kids, angathi bacanga ukuthi ma-gay kumbe bantu abanjani, I don't know, but like it's annoying, kuyanyanyisa cause nathi sibantu and sinema-feelings, siyeva buhlungu, like siyakhala if kungukuthi umuntu wena into lengasiphathi kahle, or like lengasijabulisi, or levisa tinhliziyo tethu buhlungu, uyang-understand. So kungiloko guys, and a long part 1, I think for now ngidophelela la, angifuni ukuthi ngize ngiye, yabo, ekutheni kakhulu kumbe ngichubeke ngiyidvonse lento ngoba itoze inibore. So ngidogcina la namuhla. Shem, thank you so much for watching. And what do you think guys about i-makeup yami? Bengithi ngizama i-natural glam, soft glam nyana, but yeah, and nathi ukuthi still ngisaseyibhekina. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Ngiyathanda kakhulu bolala, ngiyathanda kakhulu baby. Ngakhohlwa ku-like and comment and subscribe. Love you loads.